Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about top 15 best task management apps that you can use to manage your daily tasks, your weekly tasks, and your monthly tasks as well. So first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First app I want to share with you is called Twist2A. This app is very amazing and a useful app that you can use to manage your daily tasks. You can write the task here, edit everything, and then when it's done you can remove it from here. As you can see, there are different tables available like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is the weekly plan. You can style your to-do list with markdown, and you can also add text and images, and you can also hide completed to-dos, and you can change the colors as well. All right, the next app I want to show you is called Microsoft To-Do app. The Microsoft To-Do is an easy to use task management app which you can use to manage your tasks. I cannot explain everything in depth in this video, but I will give you the overview of every single app so you will get an idea about how to use these apps. I cannot explain everything in a single video, so we will just try to learn basic things in this video. So as you can see, this is a Microsoft To Do app, so you can add a task here in your list view, for example a video, and then you can add important tasks, you can plan your events, and you can add a due date, and you can also see the task assigned to you, and you can also create a new list of the task. And the next app is called Clear Task Reminder and To-Do List app. This app is only available for iOS devices. You can use this app and check this out. You can see this app have 3.7 stars out of 5, which is fairly good, not bad at all. The next app is called Sorted 3. The Sorted 3 app is also a more focused app that combines your tasks, calendar, events, and notes into a unified timeline, so you can hyper schedule your entire day in one place. And this app is only available for Apple and iOS devices. You can see the rating, $14.99 for the Pro plan. The next app is called Things 3. Things 3 is also an iOS app which you can use to manage your daily tasks and increase your productivity. You can see this app have a fancy look and feel, and you can add daily tasks here, and you add notes, you can add calendar and events as well. Alright, the next app is called ClickUp. ClickUp is also an task management app which you can use to manage your tasks. You can add your most important tasks here, so you can add your to-do list, your commands, and here is the calendar view as well. In ClickUp you can also create a new space for yourself or someone else, so you can manage their tasks in a new space. And ClickUp will also provide you a private dashboard which you can use to assign private tasks. You can also sync your tasks with Trello, and there are some other apps available like Record Clip, Track Time, Reminder, Notepad, Calendar, and Task Tray, etc. And if you want to add a new task, click on the tasks button, and then you can name the task, you can write the description, and you can attach documents. Alright, the next app is called Todoist. Todoist is an amazing and very useful task management app which you can use to increase your productivity. So here in Todoist, you can add your tasks in the form of list. You can add your Todoist here, and then you can also go to inbox and you can add some daily tasks here, and you can also see the upcoming events. Here you can create some projects in Todoist, and then you can see you can add routines. You can just add a task by clicking on new task, then you can select a due date, and you can assign this task in a specific project or specific day, for example Tuesday. Alright, and here you can edit this section, you can move section, and there are many other things which you can check out. Next app is called OmniFocus. OmniFocus is an app which you can use to accomplish more every day, and it is a paid app, not a free app, so you have to pay some bucks before using this. You can also use a 14-day free trial. OmniFocus is powerful task management software for busy professionals with tools to help tame the chaos. You can focus on the right tasks at the right time, and you can keep track of everything by using OmniFocus. Your brain just got a big upgrade. Here you can see their style. OmniFocus acts as a second brain, allowing you to capture and organize all of your activities in a powerful and easy to maintain system, so you can get tasks out of your head quickly from anywhere. You can stay organized on all your devices, and you can share from any app, so you can achieve your goals and get more out of life. So you can explore it further. This is a very beautiful looking app which can help you in achieving your goals. The next app is called Columns. Column is a special app. It has a different look and feel. As you can see, there are three different columns here, like to do, watch list, later. In to do list, you can add your to do tasks and your pending tasks as well. For example, you can add here your today task, your tomorrow tasks, and you can also add what to do this week. And then you can also add a watch list. If you have to watch something, a video, maybe a course, then you can add it here. And then you can also add some later tasks here. You can also attach file, you can also add a date, and you can also add a card. There is some information that is very helpful if you are new to columns, so you can explore it further. The next app is called desktop app for Google Tasks. So this is a Chrome extension that would help you managing your tasks and increasing your productivity. As you can see here, this is the view of the Google Tasks. It has a Kanban view and to-do list view, and you can stay in sync with Google Tasks on Gmail and Calendar. If you use Google Gmail and Google Calendar, then this would be very helpful for you. Alright, the next app is called AnyDo. AnyDo is also an task management app which you can use to manage your daily tasks. And Any.do is very helpful in increasing your productivity. You can add the list here. It has a Kanban view and a list view as well. So for example, you want to plan a trip, you can add a reminder, you can add a personal note here, and you can also use the tags function here. It is the first time that I am seeing the tags function in a productivity app. So yeah, you can use this tags like it is a priority, and if it is important or family, then you have to upgrade to premium for more tags and colors. Okay, and then you can add your notes here, then you can add a subtask, and then you can also add some attachments if you want. All right, and here you can see next 7 days, and you can also see all of my tasks. So it's a very beautiful looking app, so you can use this to achieve more in a day. The next app is called TickTick. TickTick is very similar to Todoist. Here you can add your task in a Kanban view, and then you can see your today task and your list of categories, and you can also search by tags. There is the calendar view available as well. As you can see here in the calendar view, you can add your notes, you can add your daily task like here jogging, meetings, monthly product plan, data collection, and some other planning and task management. And here is the habit which you can use. It is I think similar to Pomodoro, so you can check it out, and you can also search something if you want. Alright, the next app is called To-Do.Zenkit. To-Do.Zenkit is a simple task management app which you can use to just add some tasks here, and then you can add tasks, you can create lists, and you can import from other apps as well. So these are the functionalities of Zenkit. It is a very simple and easy to use app which you can use to manage your tasks easily. And the next app is called Trello. Trello is a very professional and business task management app which you can use to manage your tasks. It has multiple functions. It is a very useful app. You can add boards, you can add members, you can add tables, calendars, and you can add your extra boards as well. For example, in this board I just added my to-do list and the tasks I have done, and then some other details. And then here, if you are a company or you own a business, then you can also add your workspace members, you can add guests, you can invite members to join you. Here there are different workspaces available, and you can also create a new workspace by using a template, as there are some templates available, so you can see and explore it. Here is the table view of workspace, so you can add your task in a table view, and you can also manage your tasks in a calendar view as well. So it is a very beautiful app. You can check it out and explore it further, and let me in the comments which one do you like the most. Alright, and the last app I want to show you is called taskade.com. Taskade is a useful app which you can use to manage your tasks. Like you can use this template to create your dream weekly routine, and you can add new habits and priorities in one space. So you can add here your priorities, you can add here your tasks, and you can add here your morning or evening routine, and then you can add here your weekly days routine. Once something is done, you can just tick this mark and it would be hidden. And it has a variety of different functions, like you can start a call with your members, and you can also see a board view in Taskgate. As you can see here, there is the board view available as well, and there is a calendar view as well, and then you can see your starred tasks and the tasks here with you. All right, these were the apps I wanted to show you to manage your daily tasks. These task management apps are very useful if you want some kind of routine in your life. So it would give you a kind of productivity boost in your daily life. These apps are very helpful in increasing your productivity and managing your tasks easily. So check out these apps. Thanks. Take care.